Have you ever wondered how a work of art that can reach 350 kilometers per hour is created? Today I'll take you behind the doors of Italy's most exclusive factory to discover the secret manufacturing process of a Lamborghini. From the first screw to the final roar of the engine, I'll show you exactly how 200 artisans transform metal and carbon fiber into pure Italian passion. Prepare yourself, because what you see next will take your breath away. Lamborghini history. It all began in 1963 when Ferruccio Lamborghini, a successful tractor manufacturer, decided to challenge Ferrari after an argument over the clutches in his sports cars. With a mix of Italian pride and entrepreneurial determination, Ferruccio established Automobili Lamborghini in Sant'Agata Bolognese with one clear goal: to create the perfect Grand Tourer. What began as a personal revenge grew into one of the most iconic brands in the world. Today, every Lamborghini that leaves this factory carries with it more than 60 years of innovation, passion, and the philosophy of the bull: strength, elegance, and pure rebellion. Design and material selection. The journey of every Lamborghini begins in the design center, where engineers and artists work for years to create the perfect lines that will cut through the wind at extreme speeds. Every curve, every angle, every surface is designed using cutting-edge technology and virtual wind tunnels. But here's the fascinating part. The selection of materials is where the magic really begins. Engineers choose carbon fiber, which is 5 times stronger than steel, but weighs less than aluminum. The leather is selected from the finest Italian quality. Each piece must pass 40 different quality tests. Metals are imported from exclusive suppliers who have worked with Lamborghini for decades. It's not just a car, it's the perfect combination of science and Italian art. Chassis and bodywork creation. At the heart of the factory, specialized technicians begin to bring the Lamborghini's skeleton to life. The chassis is built with millimeter precision using carbon fiber, molded in an autoclave at 130 degrees Celsius. Every piece of the chassis must be perfect, because it will be the foundation that will support the full power of the engine. The body is molded using techniques that combine advanced robotics with Italian craftsmanship. The carbon fiber pieces are laid down layer by layer, following specific patterns that have been perfected over decades. The result is a structure that is incredibly light, yet so strong that it can protect occupants in the most extreme conditions. This process takes more than 20 hours per vehicle, and only the most experienced technicians can perform it. V10 and V12 engine manufacturing. Now we come to the soul of the Lamborghini, the engine. In a special room in the factory, master mechanics assemble each V10 and V12 engine by hand. These are no ordinary engines. They are feats of engineering that can generate over 700 horsepower. Each piston is tuned to the nearest micron. Each valve is individually calibrated. V12 engines go through over 100 different quality processes before being considered ready. Most impressively, each engine bears the signature of the technician who assembled it, because at Lamborghini, creating an engine is a personal art. The manufacturing process takes over 10 hours, and when the engine finally comes to life for the first time, its roar is so perfect that it can be instantly recognized as a true Lamborghini. Installation of electronic and aerodynamic systems. 21st century technology meets Italian craftsmanship as technicians install the world's most advanced electronic systems. Every Lamborghini features more than 50 sensors that constantly monitor vehicle performance. The all-wheel drive system is specifically calibrated for each model, allowing the car to adapt to any surface in fractions of a second. The aerodynamic systems are equally impressive. Active spoilers that automatically adjust based on speed, diffusers that channel air to create downforce, and air intakes that not only look spectacular, but also optimize airflow to the engine and brakes. This entire system is integrated with a central computer that processes thousands of data points per second to ensure that every Lamborghini offers a unique and unparalleled driving experience. Assembly of luxury interiors. The interior of a Lamborghini is where Italian luxury reaches its peak. Specialized leather artisans work on every surface using techniques passed down through generations. The leather is selected from the finest European suppliers, and each piece is cut and sewn by hand according to specific patterns. The sport seats are molded to provide perfect support during sporty driving, but also comfort for long journeys. Carbon fiber is integrated into the dashboard and doors with jewel-like finishes. Even the smallest details, such as the stitching and buttons, are made exclusively for Lamborghini. The result is a cabin that combines extreme sportiness with absolute luxury, creating a complete sensory experience that makes every journey extraordinary. Exclusive paintwork and customization. A Lamborghini's paintwork is much more than just color. It's a statement of personality. In the paint booth, specialists apply up to 12 different layers of paint and varnish using techniques that combine precision robotics with artisanal retouching. Exclusive Lamborghini colors, such as Arancio Borealis or Verde Mantis, are created with special pigments that change hue depending on the light. But this is where customization reaches another level. Through the Ad Personam program, customers can choose from more than 300 color options: matte, metallic, or pearlescent finishes. Some customers even request completely unique colors created specifically for their vehicle. The painting process takes more than 25 hours, and the result is a finish so perfect it reflects light like a mirror while maintaining the depth and richness of color that makes each Lamborghini unique. Quality and performance tests. Before any Lamborghini leaves the factory, it must undergo the most rigorous testing in the automotive industry. In specialized laboratories, each component undergoes extreme simulations that replicate years of use in minutes. Engines are tested on dynamometers that can simulate the most demanding conditions, from high-speed circuits to urban driving. Electronic systems undergo more than 200 different checks to ensure they function perfectly in any weather condition. Quality tests include torque checks on every bolt, calibration of safety systems, and testing of all comfort systems. Only when each of these systems passes all tests with perfect marks does the Lamborghini receive approval to continue to the next step. This obsession with perfection is what ensures that every Lamborghini delivers the driving experience the brand promises. The first road test. The most exciting moment arrives: the first road test. A professional test driver sits behind the wheel of the newly manufactured Lamborghini and takes it for the first time on the roads surrounding the factory. This isn't just a test, it's the moment when machine and driver meet for the first time. The driver evaluates every aspect of the vehicle's behavior: engine response, steering precision, brake effectiveness, transmission smoothness. During this 50-kilometer drive, more than 150 different points of the vehicle's performance are checked. If anything isn't perfect, the car returns to the factory for further adjustments. Only when the driver confirms that the Lamborghini meets the brand's highest standards does it receive final certification. It is at this moment that the roar of the engine, the precision of the controls, and the pure thrill of driving confirm that another perfect Lamborghini is ready to conquer the world's roads. And this is how a Lamborghini is born. It's not just manufacturing, it's pure Italian craftsmanship, combined with cutting-edge technology. From Ferruccio's vision to these incredible modern supercars, each Lamborghini represents decades of passion, innovation, and the tireless pursuit of perfection. After more than 200 hours of craftsmanship, countless quality tests, physics. Were you impressed by this incredible process? Let me know in the comments which part surprised you the most. If you want to see more content about the world's most exclusive supercars, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss a single video. And remember, the next time you see a Lamborghini roar down the street, you'll know all the Italian passion and craftsmanship behind those perfect lines. See you in the next video.